Subscribe for my channel Amol Ujagare and hit the bell icon for latest update.
Hey, hello friends. My name is Amol Ujagare and I am the author of the book Practical Approach of Software Testings. In this video, we are going to see what is the parameterization in testng.xml, right? So we are going to do a series of a video, and in this first video, I am going to explain you why the parameterization is needed. So if suppose this is a project, okay, and this project is having some pages. So here it is, let's say add client, this is view client, right? This is just a menu or some links having a page, or let's say settings. Okay, so these are the pages, and it is there, or it is included in a menu, right? If suppose this is a menu, and this menu belong to some xyz.com. Okay, so generally what happens is that uh, when you go for testing, you will observe this. So this is kept on one environment, right? So what is the environment? That is the server or your setup. I'll be shortly showing you one live example as well of this. So this is one environment. I'm just explaining one example. The parameterization has so many applications, but with the help of this example, you will be able to visualize the things where we are going to use this in practical or in real-time scenario, right? This is the just one way. So try to understand this. So this is environment. Okay. So this is one environment. So why this is xyz.com? Because this is my one server, right? So now what I've done is that this is my testing server, and it has this URL. And if suppose I don't want my tester to test directly on the production server, or that is what we can say, a live website, let's say live environment. This is the live environment, and it has some other URL. Let's suppose abcxyz.com. Okay, so this is a live environment, right? So on the both the environments, the website is same. Okay, so the website on both the environments, this is one environment, and on both the environment, the website is same, right? Functionality, links, and everything is same. Only the server is different, and because of which this URL is different, right? So let me just show you quickly a live example of it. So I have one application hosted on my machine, and it is, let's say, localhost, then 82/IP. So this is my URL, and you can see one login page. Actually, I have already logged in. So this is a login page, and you can observe here what is the URL here, right? Here localhost/IPs. This is my base URL actually, and this is the resource, right? And here you can see one login page is there, right? Same thing I have hosted on some other server. This is my local server, right? And let's suppose this is a live server. You can also have this link, so IP, and you will observe that the same application is here only. So just ignore this rest of the part, but just see. So this is the login page here and here also, and you can also observe I am doing a login into it with some username and password. and log in. Just I wanted to show you that these two applications are same. Click login. Right, so when I logged in, so I find a dashboard here. Similarly, I find a dashboard here. Right, so both these websites are same, exactly the same functionality and all that. Right, but you can observe the environment is different. Right, here it is hosted on ip2.scriptinglogic.net, and here you can observe it is hosted on this local host. Right, so only the URL is changed. Right, so now if you are migrating, or if now you are testing on this local host and tomorrow you have been asked to test on some other environment, your test cases are not going to change. Right, everything is same, only the URL is getting changed. Right, so what we can do is we can put this URL or use this URL as a parameter. Right, so this we can use as a parameter, we can store it somewhere else, and just like earlier I said, we can change it from externally. Right, so use this as parameter. Okay, so use this as a parameter and then use. Right, so that when the environment will change, you will not need to change the whole things, because if you have written it like this, a driver.get, how to open a URL, this is just an example. Let's say driver.get, and let's suppose here it is, let's say http://xyz.com, and if you have written this everywhere, right, if you have written this everywhere in every test, so upon changing the environment, so are you going to change it everywhere? No. Right, so this will be going to be stored as an parameter, and this can be changed externally, and we are going to use testng.xml for implementing this. So this is just a story, and we are going to reveal this suspense in the next session. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe for more such videos. Thank you very much.